Can I deposit USD on Kraken? Intro. Question hook. Ever wondered if you can directly deposit US dollars on Kraken, the popular cryptocurrency exchange? Well, let's dive in and find out. Understanding Kraken. Brief history. Kraken, founded in 2011, is one of the oldest and most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges. It's known for its security, liquidity, and wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. Key features. Highlight some of Kraken's key features like advanced trading tools, margin trading, staking options, OTC trading, direct USD deposits. The short answer: yes, but with a caveat. While Kraken doesn't allow direct bank transfers in USD from all regions, it does offer a few methods to deposit USD indirectly. Method 1. Buying cryptocurrency directly. Explanation. One of the easiest ways to deposit USD on Kraken is by purchasing cryptocurrency directly from the exchange using your credit or debit card. Step-by-step guide. Create a Kraken account. Verify your identity. Navigate to the buy-sell section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, e.g., Bitcoin. Choose credit/debit card as the payment method. Enter the amount you want to spend. Complete the purchase. Method 2. Using a third-party platform. Explanation. Some third-party platforms allow you to purchase cryptocurrencies using USD and then transfer them to Kraken. Popular options. Discuss popular options like Coinbase, known for its user-friendly interface and wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, offering a variety of trading options. Transfer process. Explain how to transfer cryptocurrencies from these platforms to Kraken. Method 3. Bank transfers for supported regions. Explanation. In some regions, Kraken allows direct bank transfers in USD. Check eligibility. Emphasize the importance of checking Kraken's website for the latest information on supported regions and currency options. Fees and considerations. Transaction fees. Discuss the fees associated with each deposit method, including credit/debit card fees, cryptocurrency network fees, Kraken's platform fees. Exchange rates. Explain how exchange rates can impact the value of your USD deposit when converting to cryptocurrency. Security. Highlight the importance of security when dealing with cryptocurrency exchanges. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing scams. Conclusion. Recap. Summarize the different methods of depositing USD on Kraken. Choose the best method. Encourage viewers to choose the method that best suits their needs and preferences based on factors like convenience, fees, and security. Stay informed. Remind viewers to stay updated on Kraken's policies and supported features as they may change over time. Call to action. Subscribe and like. Encourage viewers to subscribe to the channel for more cryptocurrency-related content and to like the video. Leave a comment. Invite viewers to leave comments with any questions or experiences they have with depositing USD on Kraken. Closing. Final thought. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, so stay informed and make informed decisions.